Hello everyone. So as I promised last time to you all, yes, this is about the crash course that I'm talking about. Mathematics crash course. So we are already aware about the two sem pattern. So semester 1 is going to be in the month of November, 80 marks. What is the paper pattern? We still don't know. We are waiting for it. But I am coming up with a crash course. Now, what is this crash course? What you are supposed to do in that, and how can you enroll into this crash course is what I'm going to talk about. So, I'm starting the crash course from 2nd of September. 2nd of September. I'm going to have live classes this time. It's not going to be recorded lectures anymore. So, we are going to have a total of 15 live sessions starting from 2nd of September in the evening. I'll tell you all the timings and all the details about it. First, let me explain it to you in nutshell. We are going to do all the topics all over again, revise them really well. Each and every topic, you heard that right? All 10 topics that are there for your first SEM exam. Okay. Once you finish those topics, you'll be writing a MCQ test on every chapter. I repeat, MCQ test on every chapter. And then we'll have one combined paper of 80 marks of the entire SEM 1 portion. So how am I going to go about? What is the cost? How can you enroll? Let's go for it. So here the plan is right behind me. So I'm going to start on 2nd of September, as I already told you. That's a Thursday in the evening at 8 p.m. That's what the plan is. So 8 p.m. you wind up all your work and you come with a fresh mind. It is going to be on Zoom live, where I'll be teaching you the entire GST topic on the 2nd of September. The entire topic will be taught to you, and then how to attempt the MCQs also will be taught to you. The following day, that is the 3rd of September, that's Friday, you will be writing a 20 marks MCQ test. The test portal will be open from morning 10 a.m. to evening 7:30 p.m. Can you see that here? Yeah. So you are supposed to write the test of 20 marks, which will be a half an hour test anytime between this. So you prepare the whole day. On Friday, that's 3rd of September, write the test between that time slot and submit your test. You get your marks then and there. Evening, you come back at 8 o'clock on 3rd of September at 8 o'clock, and I will discuss this paper with you all, as in how the answer should be and why should it be that way. So the paper discussion will happen on the following day. So like that, I have selected 2 consecutive days right from September till October. So one day I will be explaining the entire topic or teaching you the entire topic. Second day you write the test, and the second day after you write the test, I discuss what is there in the test. So that's how we can finish one topic comprehensively. The next one is on 6th of September, which you can see there. Monday 8 p.m. again. This time I'm teaching you banking and linear. Both are smaller topics, so we finish them. On 7th, again the next day, you write the test from 10 a.m. to 7:30, anytime between that. Okay. At night, you come back at 8 o'clock on 7th of September, and I'll be briefing you about the paper. So the entire paper discussion will happen. So that's what the plan is. Likewise, we keep on going ahead. The entire plan is right in front of you. So that's the plan: quadratic plus solving together, then ratio, proportion, remainder, matrices, AP with similarity. Here the dates are mentioned, that on which day I am going to do what topic at what time, and the test is right over here. So MCQ tests are going to be there because your paper is an MCQ. You can write anytime between 10 to 7:30, anytime, half an hour slot you will be getting. Once you finish the test at 8 o'clock night on the same day. So let's say here, coming back here on Friday, if you're writing the test, okay, between 10:30 to 7:30 in the morning, 8 o'clock you come back for the discussion of the test paper. So you get complete insight of that particular chapter. And the final D-Day is on 22nd of October. On 22nd of October, there will be a full paper. Again, it will be open from morning 10:30 to 7:30. You write the full paper test and then come back at night 8 o'clock again. We discuss the entire 80 marks paper. So that's how you will be very well prepared within 2 months. That is 15 live sessions. These are 15 live sessions, 7 20 marks paper and 1 80 marks paper. So you are well and thoroughly prepared for your exam, and then you go back, write your exam in the month of November. So that helps you to attempt your SEM 1 comprehensively, easily, without any fear. If you are scared, pick up the crash course, and I am there to help you, to remove you out of your scare and to make you confident so that you can appear your paper really, really well. The next thing, two more things. One, how much is the cost? Two, how can you join? How can you join? So you need to download the Roughbook app right over there. So download the Roughbook app. Once you download the app, okay, you can go on to the app and find out the course. The name of the course is Crash Course. I repeat, the name of the course is Crash Course. Crash Course Mathematics. So you go on to that, pay for it. When you pay for it, this video will be seen and the entire PDF of the program will be seen. That's it. And then on the day when I'm supposed to teach you, a Zoom link will be forwarded to you. You can join the Zoom meeting and I'll be teaching you live over there. There you can ask your questions. I can help you with anything and everything about the topic. And then the following day you write the test. What is going to be the cost? Alright, so let's do it 2,300. That's what the cost is going to be. I know it's not a very huge cost unless you have that mindset. So 2,300, you get 15 classes, you get 7 MCQ papers, you get one full 80 marks MCQ paper, you get to see me and I get to teach you. So you can join right now. Second thing, about the number of people. The seats are going to be limited since it's on Zoom. Alright, so you need to fill up and you need to pay up right now as quickly as possible. And then from 2nd of September, obviously I'm going to meet you. So don't wait back. Otherwise, once the seats are full, we'll have to pull down the course. And the ones who are there in the course will be a part of it and the rest will not be a part of it. Yeah. So if you do not have the app, you can download it from Play Store right now. Or you can go onto the App Store, download Class Plus app, use the organization code OINIO and join. Come onto the app, look out for the course. On top, it will be written live course. Click on that, pay for it, and you will become a part of the crash course. So crash course will not only give you good practice about your MCQs, but it is also going to help you to revise your entire portion for Sem 1. That's what the entire plan is. I hope you are happy with this and I hope you are joining right away, right now. So see you on 2nd of September live with me on Zoom. Until then, bye, take care, stay safe, pray for everyone, and do not worry, I am there to help you, to take you through for mathematics. Bye bye. Thank you.